Hey everyone, and thank you for trusting PAI for your truck part needs. The following video will show you how to install your brand new PAI oil pan. Let's go! First, you're gonna want to drain all that old oil out. Then, be sure to remove all the oil pan bolts. Now be careful not to damage the block's surface or any other surface such as the front cover or flywheel housing. Check the removed oil pan for debris or any other signs of damage that could compromise the lubrication system. If present, be sure to address the situation prior to installing your new PAI oil pan. Remove the oil pan and all additional components from the box. And note that a new pan gasket comes included with your PAI oil pan as a bonus. You're going to want to inspect your new oil pan for possible shipping damage. Then, proceed to assemble the oil pan as needed. Thoroughly clean the block's mounting surface, ensuring there's no oil, debris, or residual gasket material. Apply a small line of sealant in the seams where the block meets the front cover and the flywheel housing. Align the gasket bolt holes and other features with the block to ensure the correct orientation. Now, you're going to want to adjust your new oil pan on the gasket and block by loosely tightening the bolts. Finally, and this is a big one, be sure to consult the manual and install your new PAI oil pan using the recommended torque values and torquing sequence. Hey everyone, and thanks again for trusting PAI with your truck part needs. Don't forget to sign up on our website to receive the latest updates, events, and new part releases from PAI.